Woke up early Friday morning, had a dream the Reaper coming. Woke up in the cold sweat with a pain in my stomach. Grab my pistol cause I'm paranoid, I feel like it's my warning sign. Shot my chili to the country, I don't want the harm in mine. Pull back all the curtains in the house and open all the blinds. Look straight out the window, saw a nigga standing with a knife. Then I blinked twice, then the nigga disappeared. I put one up in the chamber as I choke back on my field. Had time to roll a blunt, but I knew he was somewhere near. Pointing a gun at the P, hold like please don't bust in here. If he do, I'ma shoot. Guarantee won't shed a tear. So much drama in my time, I turn my back on all my peers. I don't know who to trust no more with, ain't no love here. Nigga got some pen like hoe, putting buzz in my ear. Praying on my downfall, but I rose above them. I ain't got nowhere to run, so I'm get some stuff here. Whoa. Early this morning, had a dream last night that I saw the Reaper coming. I don't know if it was me or somebody else around me. Could it be one of my niggas? If somebody trying to clown me? I woke up early this morning, had a dream last night that I saw the Reaper coming. I don't know if it was me or somebody else around me. Could it be one of my niggas? If somebody trying to clown me? I look up, my phone ringing out the meter. I answered it, all I heard was voices of different people. I said hello in my voice, I heard it up on the speaker. This was way more advanced, I think it was something evil. I'm steady tripping, so I roll more blunts of the reefer. Thinking my phone tell, cause I'm trying to call up my people. TV popping on and off, and I think the light flicker, so I perked up, chair high, cause I ain't on the pistol, cause got me buzzing, cause I see reflections in the mirror. We a chain shot, bullet flying through the family pictures, I don't see them no more. Shit, I guess I must have hit them. Then I went to looking, all I seen were pieces of the pictures. No blood trail, just shell from the same Glock. From the look of this, we was shooting from the same spot. Boy, I could've sworn that the nigga wanna take me out. I opened up the door, people staring at me up and down. Oh. Early this morning, had the dream last night. Yeah.